going to walk down and I'll be there with you.
In a new court filing, U.S. prosecutors say Donald Trump, quote, resorted to crimes to stay in power. The 165-page document is likely the last opportunity for them to detail their case against Trump before the election. Here are some key findings. The filing lays out a sweeping account of Trump's conduct after the 2020 election.
4 more years!
That includes an allegation that a White House staffer heard Trump tell family members, quote, it doesn't matter if you won or lost the election. You still have to fight like hell. Another allegation was that Trump planned, even before the election, to declare victory, no matter the result, and replacing his campaign legal team when they allegedly wouldn't support allegations of voter fraud. The filing also claims Trump tried to manipulate Mike Pence into helping him stay in power. It also included an allegation that Trump warned Pence that people are, quote, gonna hate your guts and think you're stupid if Pence didn't block certification of Joe Biden's win. And prosecutors say that when a White House aide told Trump that Pence had been taken to a secure location as rioters stormed the Capitol, Trump responded, so what? Trump had pleaded not guilty to 4 criminal charges relating to the 2020 election interference case. If he wins the election, he's likely to direct the Justice Department to drop the charges.
What we learned today is that Trump's actions were even more extreme and more outrageous than we knew beforehand. We knew the general outlines, but the fact that so many people told him that he had no argument whatsoever that the election was actually fraudulent, and that he continued pursuing this, that he had no interest at all in Mike Pence's safety, and instead was willing to allow the mob to go after him violently and didn't seem to care. These are things that are beyond the bounds of what a president in his official capacity should ever be contemplating doing. So if we can't prosecute someone like that for acts like this, then we really don't have a constitutional democracy at all. Trump was told by those closest to him that his claims of election fraud were completely without merit. And the reason that's important is that then when he continues to claim election fraud, he's not doing it as the chief law enforcement officer of the country trying to take care that laws are faithfully executed. He's doing it as a candidate who's trying to sow confusion in the electorate so that he can engage in what is effectively a coup against democracy. Donald Trump faces pretty high stakes in this election. He really needs to win so that he can at least delay the prosecutions until after he's out of office, or possibly scuttle them altogether.